Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, rear step bumper. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4 power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, trip odometer. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.